Hamamelis X intermedia information. Hamamelis X intermedia is a hybrid plant that is a cross between two species of witch hazel, Hamamelis japonica and Hamamelis mollis. It is a deciduous shrub that typically grows to be 10 to 15 feet tall and wide. The plant is known for its showy and fragrant flowers, which appear in late winter to early spring, before the leaves emerge. The flowers are usually yellow, orange, or red and have a distinctive, spidery shape. The leaves are oval-shaped and turn a bright yellow in the fall. Hamamelis X intermedia is a relatively low-maintenance plant that is tolerant of a range of soil types and can grow in both full sun and partial shade. It is also generally resistant to pests and diseases. The plant is often used in gardens and landscaping as a specimen plant or as a part of a mixed border. Its early blooming flowers make it a valuable addition to gardens, as it provides a burst of color when few other plants are blooming. In addition, it is sometimes used in traditional medicine for its astringent properties.